How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've been gone for a while, haven't been making videos, so I'm going to try to get back to making videos. And today's video is going to be all about how to clean your seatbelts. Now, I wasn't going to make a video on this originally, but I started doing it, and it's coming out real well. So I said, screw it, let me make a video, show others that might want to know. I did, I looked up some stuff online, didn't see any good guides, so I figured I'd make one. Okay, so step one, I'm not going to show, remove the seatbelt from your car. Most cars it's held in by 2 or 3 bolts, so make sure you remove that. Once you remove the seatbelt, extend it to the point where all the dirt that the seatbelt has is gone. Now you don't want to overextend it, so make sure you don't keep pulling the seatbelt out, but extend it out to where all your dirt's visible, and just stop there and clamp the seatbelt down. So this is how it looks. You can see I took some vice grips, clamped it down. This is clean, clean, clean. And then over here it just starts getting pretty nasty, pretty black and dirty, as you can see. You can see that color change from the front to the back. So this is the part I'm going to be cleaning, and that's how it looks new. So once you got your seatbelt out, put it down on the floor, put it anywhere it's a clean area. I put some construction paper down, but you can just put it on the floor, just wipe the floor down, make sure it's not filthy beforehand. Better to do it on pavement or something that if dirt gets on it or some chemicals get on it, it's not going to ruin anything, so don't do it on like your hardwood floor or something. Or just put some paper down just so you're covered. So after you get the seatbelt out, you put it on a clean place. So make this mixture. It's a household mixture. About 95% water, and then take a couple of the little cupfuls of bleach, the cap, fill up those once or twice, put that in, and then take some kind of degreaser, cleaner, whatever you want. I use a little bit of Simple Green. I also put a little bit of OxyClean, the laundry powder. So I put it in here, some warm water, mix it up real well, and that's all that's in here. Very simple to make, very easy. If you have a steam cleaner like I do, I'm going to recommend using that, but you don't need it. You guys will see most of the cleaning is going to get done with this. And the only other thing you will need is going to be like a soft bristle brush. Now, not too soft to where it doesn't do anything, but it is, it's not extremely hard where it's like plastic where it's going to scratch everything. So just a medium medium bristle brush, something that's going to get the fibers in there and get them clean. So once you do that, we're going to move on to the next step. Before the next step, soak the seatbelt with this solution. Be generous, soak it. You want it to get in there and fight the dirt. Once you get everything in there, take your bristle brush and just start scrubbing it. Now, don't scrub too hard, don't put a lot of force into it, but also don't be super gentle. Just put medium, light pressure on there and just scrub, and try to scrub away from the middle of the seatbelt, that way all the dirt goes off on the sides. Once you get that done, I have shop towels, but take any towel you want, just wipe off the excess dirt. Your seatbelt's gonna be looking a lot cleaner already. Now you could do this step 2 times, 3 times, depending how filthy your seatbelt is. Or you could do it once and move on to the next step with a steam cleaner. It's gonna be up to you. This seatbelt is very dirty, came from a junkyard, so I want to clean it up. I'm going to do one step of the brush, and then I'll move on to the steam cleaner. So once again, for the steam cleaner, spray your solution on, let it sit for 5-10 seconds, take your steam cleaner attachment and put some steam on that section. It will get really deep into the seatbelt and clean out. The hot steam is going to clean out all the pores. And after that, you're pretty much done. Just take another clean rag, another clean shop towel, wipe that off, and you'll have a clean seatbelt. Once you do the one side of the seatbelt, flip it over, and you can do everything again. And your seatbelt will be pretty cool. Okay, so once you cleaned everything, make sure you dry the seatbelt by hand. Use the same towels, dry it up, and then let it dry. If it's sunny outside, put it outside for a couple hours, then reinstall it. Otherwise, you can leave it maybe overnight and it should be dry. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner. thank you guys for watching. I'll be doing a lot more videos soon, hopefully. Probably not DIY videos, more like my regular stuff. But look forward to making some videos. I've been away for a while, so